Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a new luxurious, architecturally designed, aesthetically appealing, move-in ready income earner house for sale. It is located on Garnet Avenue in Belvedere, St. Andrew. It comes with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. The house sits on 0.42 acres of land. The upstairs has 2 beds, 2 baths, with a modern gourmet kitchen, which boasts top-of-the-line fixtures and fittings, such as solid timber cupboards stained and polished with corian countertops. Living and dining area, laundry, utility room, and balcony. The bedrooms are outfitted with AC units, and the living, dining, and kitchen graciously displays fine chandeliers to light up your life. Downstairs has 2 supersized 1 bed, 1 bath each. A kitchen, a very spacious and elaborate living room, which can be further expanded to get 1 more bed each. Downstairs is similarly outfitted with the finest quality fixtures and fittings, also such tray ceilings embedded with recessed lights. The house is secured with carefully crafted grillwork, and there are 2 roller shutter door garage to secure your vehicles. Plus, there are ample yard space. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 95 million or US $617.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.